So I have a 2013 Honda Accord. It is a straight 4-cylinder and it has the CVT transmission in it. And what I'm going to do here is show you all a little trick on how to get these out on the intermediate shaft, which I have over here. This is one that was ordered off of Amazon because the O'Reilly's store could not find the one intermediate shaft that goes to the CVT transmission. So what I'm going to do, I'll take the old one off and make sure that the height is the same, because if you get one for the standard transmission, the standoff bracket is wrong. Okay, I've taken one of these, kind of like a stethoscope, and I have listened to it here and kind of listened to it here on the CV shaft. I'm getting some noises here, but I am getting some bearing noises in this, and you can see it's thrown the grease out. Not getting any noises here. None of the boots are ripped. So we're going to replace this intermediate shaft, and I'll show you how to get these out without separating your ball joint. And it's probably quite a bit quicker. Okay, what I have is a little impact gun. Got a really long extension. Don't need it this long, just as long as you can get past out here to use your gun. On the back side of the control arm, you have one bolt here and one bolt on the other side over here. And you're going to loosen these up. Don't pull them all the way out, but then you'll get a pry bar back here to slide it out. Okay, now that you got these loosened back, you can see about how far I loosened them out. Both of them. We'll take this pry bar and we're going to pry it out. Got it moved out. Now you need to pop your CV off. Okay, if you get a screwdriver and just set it right here and hit it with a dead blow, there's a little snap ring in there and it'll just start popping off. And now we're trying to collapse the CV as much as we can to slip this off. So I'm going to come back here. We still got a little ways to go to pry this out and see if we can push that up and off. Okay, trying to get a good view of this. We're almost there. A little bit more. That ought to do it. There we go. There's the CV off. So it's doable. There you see it is apart. Now all I gotta do is get this bolt and the other 2 bolts on top out. This will lift out of the way so I can slide the half shaft out. You are gonna get fluid coming out, so just have something to catch it and then you can strain it and put it back in. Okay, here is your new shaft. This is the old one. So I've matched up the height, it's good. And this was actually off of Amazon. Let's see if this is the part number. Might be able to find it on there. X0048N545H. So we can at least keep the car on the road, I'm gonna try to rebuild the old one, because Honda wants like a ridiculous amount. I think it's like 450 or 550 for one. Let's get this one put back in and I'll show you the fit. We got it in, the bolt holes line up good, the splines are the same. I just gotta knock the CV back onto the over the little snap ring and then tighten those bolts back up and we will be done, other than putting the tire back on and basically straining the oil and putting it back in. We could change it out later, but right now we're just going to strain it and put it back in. So in all reality, this job takes probably less than an hour to do, especially doing it this way. You're only taking apart, you're only taking the tire off, you're taking 2 bolts loose right there, and then the 3 bolts off of the other one. It's basically, it's a 14 millimeter, the others are 14 millimeter, and a big pry bar and dead blow. That's really all you need, and a cup to catch the oil. So anyway guys, if it helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. I try to put videos up of shortcuts or stuff that'll help people, hopefully save you money. I think this job takes a little less than an hour. It's probably taken me a little more than an hour, or right at, because I'm trying to video for you. This is the other car that I'm working on. The next video on this one, we should be driving it. It's been parked for 20 plus years. So anyway guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.